Good morning, my Scorpion minds. I thought you were healthy again. Violetta's back in the house. She's been to Kuala Lumpur. How was it?
It was really nice. It's like so different. It's like a huge big city, but I kind of like it for a certain amount of time.
Yeah, for like 2 days and then
yeah.
Back to Bali, back to the beach, back to the chill life. And we also got Rosie. Hey there, how are you feeling?
Only 200 pounds.
How are you doing?
Good. I'm just lying on the floor because it's cold.
Yeah, true. I like it. I may join you. I just made myself some breakfast. It's the same as always. It's oats with peanut butter, protein, and then some fruit. Today it's mango. I love it so much. And I also got myself a bowl yesterday because Violetta has this super cute one. And I thought I wanted to have it too because it's like super nice to eat out of it. So yeah, here we go. Super special, I know. But today's gonna be exciting. I'm so looking forward to it. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna do some shopping.
Ooh, it's like really girl time.
Like a New Year's Eve outfit.
I know.
To feel glam.
To feel glam. What is our plan to get? Like, what do we wanna? Our favorite.
We wanna get something sexy.
Something sexy.
We wanna get a seafood dress to wear like just a bikini or bathing suit underneath.
Yeah. That would actually be like so awesome, but I don't know if you can find it. We're gonna see about that, but we're gonna drive to Seminyak because they're like, it's a bit like touristy thingy, and there are like a lot of shops, so that's gonna be awesome. And we already took some pictures at a fruit stand, like Rosie and me. It was like really nice. Just like super random vlog, I know. Sorry. But first, breakfast, then gym. Girls, it's training time, not talking time. Oh, your eyes look so pretty.
Yeah, me too.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right.
Workout done. We were just playing around a little bit. I didn't really have a plan, but did you still like it?
Say that again?
Your workout, did you like it?
Yeah, so
Yeah,
I didn't push myself that much.
Yeah, me neither that much. But now we're going to Seminyak to do a little bit of shopping. Can't wait. But yeah, it's so hot. That's why I'm wearing a pullover, jumper, I don't know, something to not burn. But yeah, see you there. Violetta's gonna come. She's riding like crazy. So she's probably gonna be there before us anyway. Alright, let's head. First stop in Seminyak is Eat, Play, and Love. Can't wait. Hey! They all think we need taxis. Hello! Good, how are you? Thank you. I love this restaurant already. It's like so vibey.
Enjoying my
so
sweat.
nice. I know, I'm like so sweaty too. The ride was insane, just so much traffic. Bali, you're insane with your cars and all of that. But it's alright, because it pays off. We're gonna have like some delicious lunch.
I've got this feeling. I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without
Yeah.
It's like a small mall. So it's pretty much, where was it, Tallinn or something? Where we went to the mall as well. So
But that was huge.
That was like the
I
craziest
thought it
mall
was so
ever.
really big, yeah.
I know.
But like, I feel like Seminac is so European,
It is, it really is.
Western at least.
But yeah, we're gonna look for.
Actually not that small.
No, it's actually not too small. And they have air conditioning, which is good because the traffic is crazy and I sweat like
And I think
hell.
it's gonna rain soon.
Yeah. Alright, let's just look for a cute outfit.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be.
Oh wow guys, what a day. It's already day of New Year's Eve and I'm starting it with a walk on the beach. It was so nice, just walking in the sun just right now. Yeah, about yesterday. We've been out and about for a couple hours. We came back at around 7, I think. And there was so much traffic, and on the way back, or like in Canggu, it was raining so much. But I'm happy that Violetta and we didn't come into the rain, but Rosie did. And she was like soaked. But yeah, I'm really happy I didn't. And there are people already starting like fireworks. I would love to present you our New Year's outfits, but we didn't find anything. Unfortunately, there were just like a lot of beach stores with like flowy dresses and all of that, but we wanted something a bit more sexy, a bit more like New Year style, if you know what I mean. But it was still nice to just be in Seminyak, have the really awesome food. But yeah, we'll just pick an outfit from our existing wardrobe. It's not that big, but we're gonna make it, and it's better for like the environment because we don't buy new stuff and all of that. But we went also to a second-hand store, which was really nice actually, and he had a really cute t-shirt, but yeah, I just didn't buy it because it wasn't like super fitting. Yeah, let's just get home now, see what the other girls are up to. I guess they were sleeping when I left. And it's getting so warm now. It's like almost 8. I'm back home. We went already to the gym. It was a female fitness class at Canggu Nest. Love it so much. It was perfect. It was like cardio in the beginning and then a lot of like strength afterwards, a bit of stretching, just how I like it. And I'm back in the kitchen again because for New Year's Eve we're gonna have another potluck at Ferdy's villa with like a bunch of awesome people as always. I'm making this time nothing sweet but something savory. I went to the market and I got a bunch of stuff, and this is like, I'm gonna call it tempeh crumble because I crumbled up the tempeh in like little pieces, added some veggies, and the sauce is peanut butter, soy sauce, some spices, just like everything we have here at home. Oh, and a bit of coconut milk. And I'm also gonna add these sprouts. Looking good, smelling fantastic. I cannot wait to see the guys tonight, but before, at around 2, I'm gonna go and grab some more food at Superfood Canggu. Love it so much. Ferdinand's got like a crazy cooperation with them, so he goes there like every day. And we're gonna meet there with Yoli, Philip, Ferdy, and probably Melina also. And I'm just gonna take a bunch of pictures because the food is so delicious and so good, and the place is like so photogenic. So I'm gonna take you with me again. This is gonna be like a crazy food vlog, isn't it? I hope you like it. Yeah, I'll see you again when it's time to head out. God, this is so good. I love like New Year's preparations are full on. Just making some food. I already made mine. This mid-afternoon something. This is from Rosie. And how do you like Violette's outfit?
What do you like?
I think it's so cute. Now I asked my Scorpio minds, how do they like your outfit? I was actually wearing something similar to that. Maybe I'm gonna wear it too. We'll see. Turn around. Wanna see your butt? Oh,
They're gonna be
so
like, your friend is so slutty, you.
We're also slutty. I'm gonna show them my outfit now. Are you ready? Yeah. I still need to put on bottoms.
Oh no, sorry.
It's alright.
I'm curling my eyelashes.
Here you go. Like this my top, don't look at my bottom. But yeah, I don't know. I don't have cute bottoms. I'm probably just gonna wear like a jeans skirt or jeans shorts, I don't know. Or I have this body from Melina, which is really, really nice. I love it. But then I need to wear something over. So I'm gonna rate Melina's closet just to see if she's got something. It's gonna be awesome, and I really love this one. This is like so special. And this is also Melina's, by the way. She's got so many awesome see-through clothes.
She has like the perfect party wardrobe. It's crazy. So
Oh,
if you
yeah.
want to go out, you don't have an outfit, just call
Just
me.
go to Melina's. We didn't have to like spend the whole day yesterday searching for like
I
see-through
spent the whole
stuff.
day in Kuala Lumpur as well.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I actually found the perfect dress, but then I was like, oh, I haven't had enough money with me, and then I couldn't be bothered to go there again.
Yeah.
But it was like the perfect dress. It was so nice. It was really similar to this one, just in white.
Just in white. Oh, very
It was
nice.
so nice, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one is really cool as well.
It is.
And now I didn't spend money, I didn't support fast fashion, and I have a dress that I can borrow.
That's so good. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. And you know it's getting fancy when I'm wearing earrings, because I never do, but now I do. And I think this looks really cute. God, I cannot wait to go. I think we have like half an hour and it's party time. Alright, I also decided to wear some makeup. I never do. It's like really basic. It's basically just like lipstick and a little bit of like powder around my eyes, because I'm gonna sweat tonight and it's just all gonna come up, which is kind of bad. But yeah, just for like the first impressions, like it looks so different. Oh my god. No, I actually love this lip color. Like, yeah, I look so dramatic with this like top, and love it. We're gonna see if I stick to this outfit though. You're looking really nice. And you see through stuff. We're all wearing Melina's. I know, Melina won Melina too.
No, I'll be finding like some of this.
Can't wait. Can't wait.
Oh my god, that's so nice.
They're playing some more games. We can't see anything because it's too dark, and we're making some coffee because we're gonna go out soon. And hopefully, and especially me, I'm getting a bit tired. They said at Finn's Beach Club there's like something happening, but only at the beach. So you don't go like to the club, but just at the beach. It would be nice. Just for the firework.
Let's just go somewhere.
Yeah, let's just do it. And then we can see. Oh no, I'm not gonna put that in my vlog. Coffee.
On 3, vote for somebody.
Happy
there's always something. So crazy. We tried to get out and there were so many people. It was not normal anymore, and Yoli and Philip actually left way before us, and they said they also just came back home, which doesn't make sense, but it was just like so full and like so many people in like this tiny street. It's insane and I cannot believe it. And oh god, I'm so like, I'm not really tired, it's almost 2, but I'm not really tired. I'm just like really exhausted, and Violetta is partying more. And I kind of wanted to, but then also I don't, and I think I'm just gonna watch some Netflix or something and then go to bed, because it's not worth it, I feel like. But I really love my outfit, so that's alright. Oh, so exhausted. Oh, and I got my New Year's kiss, 2 actually, from Yuli and Violetta. It's so cute. But yeah guys, I hope you had a really nice celebration. I know this was all over the place again, but I really enjoyed it. Yeah, and I think tomorrow, can't even talk anymore, I'm gonna take it really slow. I want to get a massage, hopefully. I want to just chill by the pool, so I'm gonna go to Sambila and chill there, and yeah, that's basically it. And I just edit. I swear I didn't drink anything and edit this vlog. So yeah guys, I wish you a really happy new year, and this year is gonna be awesome. And I know there was so much firework. I'm not like for firework. I was kind of scared because here nothing is controlled either, and you can't catch fire. It didn't happen where I was, so that's good. But yeah, it was just like super loud, and also the beach club shed, whatever it was like, had like really loud music. So now it feels like I have like earplugs in, but I don't. God, but it was a nice evening, just like chilling at the beach, and I need to take a shower because I'm like all sweaty. But yeah, it was really nice.